when I think of simplicity, when I think about an organization and I think about how do you ultimately focus the energy of the organization against those things that really matter, right? And I think that's an ongoing challenge for every organization. How do we ensure that the majority of our people are spending the majority of every day focused on a set of deliverables that are going to drive the best value for the organization and ultimately the best value to our consumer. And what I think it comes down to is purpose. And it sounds so obvious, if you don't understand your purpose as a business, right? How can you even be sure that you're doing the right things? How can you be sure that you're dedicating energy to the right stuff if you don't know why you're doing it or who you're doing it for? But you'd be amazed at the number of companies that I speak to where, and that is literally the first question, if your brand or your business is the answer, what's the question? What's the question that the consumer out there is asking that you and you alone are really the ultimate answer to? And it's shocking the number of companies that really don't have that clarity of purpose. Once you do, once you go through the exercise, and it can be a very deliberate exercise of sitting down with your team and saying, why is it that we exist? What is it that we deliver that no one else can? Once you arrive at that answer, everything becomes clearer. All of a sudden, all of the places where you really ought to be spending your time and energy become very clear. I'll give you an example. Two vastly different companies, both in the same industry, and to some extent even overlap within the products that they sell. But you have Patagonia at one end and Walmart at the other end. And you could argue that in the middle of the Venn diagram, they're both apparel retailers. They both sell goods to consumers. They're both consumer-facing brands. But Patagonia, of course, is dedicated entirely in every nerve and fiber of that business. They are dedicated to environmental protection. And Walmart, on the other hand, is dedicated to value. Everything they do is about driving costs out of the supply chain, driving the lowest possible price to the consumer. They make no overtures of service or any other concern. And for Patagonia, it's really about, we exist in order to fund environmental initiatives, right? Both of those organizations, I would say, are incredibly clear in their purposes. If I was to go into a Walmart or Walmart's head office in Bentonville, Arkansas, and ask 100 people randomly, hey, what's the purpose of Walmart? I reckon I'd probably get 100 people saying, we deliver low prices to consumers. That's what we do. And if I repeated the exercise at Patagonia, I'm pretty sure everyone would say environmental protection, right? So that clarity of purpose is what you need in order to simplify. Once you understand why you're getting out of bed in the morning and what you need to do before you get back into bed at night, all of a sudden your day becomes very, very clear. And that's the clarity I think most organizations lack.